Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you today that will show you how to create a book cover with Canva. So just before I do so, there's a link in the description down below this video that will take you then to a free trial version of Canva. So if you want to give this all a go, once you've watched the video, just click that link down below and that will allow you to do so. So once you've logged into Canva, this will be the home page that you arrive at, and you can see that I've got the ability to search at the top as well as browse some kind of categories of things that we're able to make. Luckily for us, Canva has got a bunch of book cover templates built into it. So if you search for the word book cover and press enter, it'll then bring you access to over 4,000 templates which are available to us to edit. If you're using the free version of Canva, make sure that you filter your results to just the free results that you're able to use. It'll also throw in a bunch of the pro templates as well. So you can see that, you've got the ability to browse by category at the top, as well as theme, subject, topic on the left-hand side, and color as well. So try and refine your results and have a good look around at what's available here to edit as a template. And then it's really, really easy once you've found a template which you really like the look of, like this one for example. Give it a click, hit customize this template there, and then that opens the template in the Canva editor. Okay, so that then allows you to modify the text, change the font, replace pictures, use the element library to drag and drop sort of various elements into the image. You can resize them and copy, paste, just like you would in a normal word processing or Photoshop type of package. And then if you don't want something, just hit that delete button there. It's very, very easy and simple to use. So this text, for example, you can give that a double click and then just type whatever you want in there instead. And then if you wanted it kind of vertical like that example was, you can go into effects and apply some basic effects to it, and is a very open and easy to access piece of software. You can sort of select text and change the color of it up here, modify the font and change the font size, and sort of add and remove various things. And it's kind of like I said, very similar to like a basic phone app. Once you're happy then with the template that you've got, to kind of export it or save it as a picture, just hit the share button in the top right hand corner, hit this little download option here in the middle, and then that'll allow you then to bring it down onto your device, typically as a PDF. If you do need it as an image, you can change it there to do so. Once you've hit download, that'll then download it on whatever device that you're using. So that concludes the video tutorial. Like I said, there's a link in the description down below that'll take you to a free version of Canva now, so if you want to give it a go, click that link. And if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, subscribe to the channel and give us a like. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos, or if you want to ask any questions or anything like that, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.